Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Doris. I'm here to share with you about my stock account and today's market update. And today, let's talk about the recent fluctuations with my stock. Right now, the net asset of my account is $64,000. Recently, Apple has closed up, SQQ closed lower today, SPY closed lower, and United Natural Gas closed lower overall, but United Natural Gas has made its rebound today. And as I have expected it to rise up from the historical low in the past few weeks. And also at the same time, let's talk about the crude oil. Recently, crude oil prices have been soaring as Middle Eastern countries' political conflicts become more aggressive and people start to get more worried about OPEC Plus countries' exports. And then let's talk about the market today. Dow Jones made a loss of 0.03%, Nasdaq closed up 0.03%, and S&P 500 closed down 0.04%. Overall, there's minimal fluctuations today within the market, and people continue to focus on the outlook for the interest rate. Today, particularly, let's talk about the fluctuation of Tesla. The stock recently has made quite a lot of drama going on because let's try to pull up a chart. So Tesla has been making a loss since the beginning of this year as people start to get concerned about Tesla's future outlook for its products and its ability to maximize its profit in addition to lowering the prices. But today Tesla has made its slight comeback of 4.9% because Elon Musk has announced the service of taxi for Tesla, future automated cars. Overall, the investors' response to Tesla's current situation right now is they're still giving hopes for Tesla's future products and its ability to dominate the electric car industry. So, however, I personally think that Tesla's future outlook will be more risky to invest in, as it will be more volatile than other stocks. So I currently do not consider Tesla as a part of my portfolio. And then let's talk about a few other products. First of all, let's talk about gold. In addition to the surge in the US stock market, gold has, in comparison, rising up since the beginning of not just the beginning of last year, but also just in the past few years as a whole. In a macro level, gold has been rising up due to the loss of US dollars as an international currency. Gold has served its purpose as a better substitution for dollars, and people have been investing in gold, especially foreign governments. At the same time, in the short term, gold has been showing some trends of rising due to the fluctuation in the inflation outlook for the US dollars and also the price of crude oil. According to exports, gold prices are soaring in new highs, and it's another product of wage price spiral triggered by the rising oil prices. And it's very similar to the great inflation of the 70s when the gold prices soared. So in expectation that the gold price will be rising for another 20 to 30%, and last week, let's talk about crude oil. It has rose above 90% a barrel as OPEC Plus producers announced they will continue to cut production. If the conflict in the Middle East escalates, oil prices could rise above $100 a barrel, and that'll be a 20% chance that inflation will rebound to a second peak. That will be more dangerous for the US economy as it shows that inflation is more persistent. And then let's talk about Nvidia. Ever since the beginning of this year, Nvidia has been making its biggest sustainable and rapid growth since the AI bubble. Nvidia, people have been also questioning whether it's still a good choice to keep Nvidia in their portfolio after the whole AI bubble. And according to these experts, that Nvidia has been, due to its company management structure and also its outlook for the future few years, that Nvidia will continue to sustain this rapid growth rate due to the high demand of its newer products, which will be the GB200, that's going to be more focused towards industrial level of algorithm computing and also be more suited for businesses. So then Nvidia's revenue expected to be 90 billion to 140 billion in annual revenue. So Nvidia has been showing some positive outlook for the future, and it's still proving itself as a high quality stock to own. And that's all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next episode.